This is probably the easiest and most profitable niche to start and create videos for, the new TikTok creativity program. The niche I'm talking about are Reddit stories, but don't just click off because just for you. I've got a very unique strategy on how we're going to merge two different niches into a single viral one. Accounts that do this are posting 6 videos per day and probably making thousands of dollars with just a few clicks. The method that we're going to be talking about today is probably the easiest way to exploit short-form algorithms on YouTube Shorts and TikTok creativity program. I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to make Reddit story-style videos. If you're a complete beginner, you can literally start today because it's too easy, and all you need is to watch this video until the end and have an internet connection and a computer. And at the end, I'll show you the most advanced strategy that will help you differentiate yourself from thousands of Reddit stories accounts out there. We'll talk about 3 strategies on how to create Reddit stories, with each being more unique than the previous. First one is the simplest one, which you've probably already seen on the internet. And then I'll show you a pretty unique twist that anyone can apply. And don't worry, everything will be shown in a step-by-step format as always. Let's jump in. First, go to Google and search for CapCut. Click on the first link that appears on your screen to start using this tool. Click on the Sign Up button right over here. Continue with your Google account for quicker sign up. And from there, you should see a workspace like this. On the left side menu, you'll find the Create a New Space button. Click on it and give it some name like Only Profits AI. Click on the blue Create Video button and choose 9:6. This is the aspect ratio used by TikTok. This is the type of video that we will be creating. I have these captions on the center as well as Minecraft footage in the background. Let me show you how that's done. First, I need Minecraft parkour videos that are copyright free, and I'll search for that on YouTube. I then need to filter out the Creative Commons only videos. I'll then pick one, click on 3 dots, share, then copy this link right here. I'll then paste the link in this MP4 converter and download the footage. Remember, you're free to reuse this footage as much as you want. You won't have any issues with TikTok. Then, we'll go to a subreddit called r/c confessions. Click on this fire icon that says hot, and it will sort the best and trending recent posts on this forum. You can also click this top button to sort the top stories from any given time period. You can sort by today, this week, this month, or even all time. Once you find the story that you like, open it and screenshot the title. Then, we're going to copy the text from this story into 11 Labs and generate a unique voiceover. I recently won a large amount of money and I am not telling my children. They have sucked the life out of me for a quarter of a century. Okay, that sounds awesome. Now, I'll go back to CapCut and insert the Minecraft footage. First, increase the size so that it fits the whole screen. Next, I'm going to drag the screenshot of the title and center it like this. This looks okay. Next, I'll drag over the voiceover I generated right here on the timeline. To add the captions, I'll use CapCut's Auto Captions option and click on the Generate button. You can see that this generated entire blobs of text, and we don't want that. I can click on each generated section and change the preset to this white text with black outline. Then, in this basic section, I'll make sure my text is bold and I'll change everything to uppercase. You can also adjust the stroke size here in colors if you want. Now, the most important thing is that we want to get our captions word by word. To do that, click on Animate and pick the bounce out animation from all of these animation types. Don't forget to increase the size of the text if needed. Okay, now that we did that for all the remaining captions, bring your pin here to the end of the voiceover, click on the parkour footage, and trim the excess footage as we don't need that for now. To make this even more engaging, we can add a swish sound effect at the beginning of the video. And I want to animate this title screenshot so that it shakes on the screen. Click on the object, click Animate, and pick the Swing Right animation. Let's take a look again. I recently won a large amount of money and I am not telling my children. They have sucked the life out of me for a quarter of a century. Alright, that worked well. Let's discuss our second strategy now. What's different about this one? We're going to get a bit creative here. We'll check out the most popular accounts, pick out their top videos, and download them. Then, we'll transcribe what's said in these videos, grab the script, give it a little twist, and use it again. We're pretty sure this script will go viral because it already went viral once. The algorithm promoted it mainly because of its story. We're going to be replicating this account's work. The best strategy to use here is to look over their most recent uploads and check out what went viral. You can see that this video got 5,000 views, this one got 14,000, and this one almost 30,000. We're going to click on it and copy the link of the TikTok video. I'll use this free tool called DubDub. After creating a free account, choose the transcription option from the dashboard. Then, from this, click on the video link and paste the link you got from TikTok. Once you click on transcribe, it will give you the video script below. I'm honestly impressed by this tool's capabilities. Then, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the story for me but keep the same tone and style. Here's what it came up with. So now we're going to apply the same steps as before. First, I'll generate a unique voiceover from this new ChatGPT script using 11 laps. Once my voiceover is generated, I'll download it to my computer. For my background footage, I'll use the same Minecraft parkour footage as before. I've also created this custom PNG that I can use to write my story's title so that it appears more personalized to my own TikTok account. In this case, I'll add my text over this white box. I'll type in "my ex-girlfriend cheated on me and had a kid" and scale it down so that it fits perfectly in this box. I'll center this title screenshot in the upper third of the video. Perfect. Now, I'll import my voiceover to the timeline so that it looks something like this. To add the captions, I'll use the same auto captions feature, adjust the text settings, add the bounce out animation, and here's what the final video looks like. My former girlfriend was unfaithful and ended up having a child. She's now parted ways with her boyfriend and is seeking to rekindle our relationship. I'm not trying to sound boastful or overconfident. However, I've experienced significant personal and financial growth. We were in a relationship for several months, yet our connection goes way back to childhood. So, the third strategy has a lot of viral potential. This type of video consists of combining bikini swimwear runway videos and Reddit stories, specifically relationship advice. Basically, you're going to replace Minecraft parkour footage with something like this. This page is posting 5 to 10 runway videos per day, so you'll never run out of stock footage for your TikToks. Download one of these videos using the Snaptic website and replace your Minecraft footage with it. For stories, you can continue with your confession stories from Reddit, but I recommend picking something from our /relationship advice. This goes well with this kind of footage. So, I made one video, and I'd like to show you how it all turned out. My former girlfriend was unfaithful and ended up having a child. She's now parted ways with her boyfriend and is seeking to rekindle our relationship. I'm not trying to sound boastful or overconfident. However, I've experienced significant personal and financial growth. If you're up for trying it, guys, go ahead. I really think this could go mega viral on TikTok. Definitely check out CapCut online and tell me what you think. It's great if your computer isn't the fastest because it runs on the cloud, so you don't need the latest hardware to handle the rendering. If you want to continue your money-making journey, click on any of the 2 videos that appear on the screen right now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.